something that is a plastic for Jakey's side because because he ruined the plastic, so we just give this small plastic and hoping that. No, why did you put that all there? Okay, so you just put it inside the cup. I'm so sorry guys for the little Dimas of the video because we're just trying to find a rocks, right? Say yes. Okay. What? You're so okay. Check it. How is the food? They ate. Okay, is the water rising?
No, they spit out their food. They just chew it, but they don't eat it.
Okay. Let's teach them with words with these budgies. This is budgies, guys, not lovebirds. Okay, so we're gonna tell at least 40 words of what you're doing, and I love you too, in order to practice itself. Also, let's teach them on I'm happy with this body. Okay, what? Oh my gosh, why you're like begging me stones? Okay, put this in a plastic bag. Okay, where is my own plastic bag? Okay, Jake, Kira Soy, please use this to collect flat stones. She will try to use a black gold cap in order to join us in the game. I mean, this is not a game, but actually, why am I doing this? Even though it's my midterm exam this week, and um, oh my gosh, this is so naughty. Oh my god, this is so naughty. Why are you trying to find there? Okay. Do you see this care? Okay, point this care side. Point this. Use your bastard to point this. This is the white stones that we collect. If you see something white, you should put it here and dug it down so that we can make a charger on it. Okay, let's mark it X and put some charger inside it. Okay. Oh my gosh, why are your voice so low? You're like acting like Kira Soy. Okay, so we're trying to find flat stones. Even though my this is my collection of flat stones. I don't know if these are flat. Okay, so
I have 2 white rocks.
where?
Here, 2 white rocks.
Oh, that's so cute. Can I see it? Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so let's use this. Don't lose this, Kira. So even this is just petals, okay? And you too, huh? You're so naughty. Okay, this is what we collect. The Jakey soy. Okay, some of them are not flat. Why are you doing this? Okay. Wow, that's so cool. Okay, and wait. Oh, how many stones you have already? It's a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, how about you? What? No. Oh my gosh, the camera is so blurry, but it's okay. Today, and it's our midterm for today, and we're trying to, but still, I'm taking a live video because this is for a moment, okay? So it's like we should not miss a moment in our life. So we're just trying to find ways to make more moments here. They're trying to find something there on the other side of the world. I mean, the other side of my house. I mean, our house actually here. Okay, so Jakey Soy. Oh my gosh, she's just jogging around this plastic bag, and this one because a while ago a plastic bag of Jakey Soy was ripped off. It's like because it has accidentally put so many heavy rocks. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Okay, how many are they already? Oh my gosh, what if, okay, I will get you a biggest bag in the world, okay, so that you can fill up like a sack. What? Where's the egg? Is that there an egg so much?
There's an egg.
There's an egg? Okay, let's flash it so that we can see it. Okay.
So you guys can see.
Oh my gosh, is that an egg of the chicken?
Yeah, it's an egg of yellow
Why
chicken.
do you see this so randomly? No, don't touch it.
It's a baby.
No, the eggs of the snake. Okay. I'm just kidding. What? Why are you doing this? That's so dirty. There were so goats here that were put there. Okay.
Papa, may itlog dyan ang manok. May itlog dyan. I found
No, that's not flat. Okay, something flat. It's a big one, fat one. Okay, I will. Oh my gosh, you just. Okay, that's a very very good. Okay, so we're trying to find a plastic bag. Hey, don't go away far from the Wi-Fi because you can connect to. I mean, Zoom. I mean, live. Okay, okay. So we're trying to find a flat here. So I don't know if it's a flat, but we're, we are. I'm in a midterm exam as a college student. So what? Oh no, no, we're trying to wait for you. That's why we are here, so that we're waiting for you. Wow. Okay. But
A bigger one to put my rock.
oh my gosh, look at what you did, Kirsai. Look at what Kirsai did. It's full of oh my gosh. Don't cover it with Vicky, so you're so very very good boy. Okay, okay. So we're trying to find something. Sorry for the darkness, here, guys. It's like almost it's like a dusk time already in our place. We are country near the Pacific, and I know you already know where we are. Okay. Um, is our midterm exam for today, but why am I still living instead of studying? Oh my gosh, I'm so dead right now. Why are you putting there? It's not a boat, okay? You're naughty little childhood. Okay, so we're trying to reach 10,000 flat stones. What can you say about that?
That's good. I'll do it, Ricky. I'll
What?
do it.
That's not good. It's 10,000. Are you serious? It's not tired. It's not tiring. Oh my gosh. Look at what the Jakey side did. It's just sliding down the slide. I mean, the soil. Okay. I mean, against the earth. I mean, yes, that's so right. Okay. So we're trying to find
Can you
a
help
flat.
me?
Okay. What? This is not flat. Okay. This is not flat. What? I mean, it's just a flat surface on top. Okay, what's this? Oh, that's so cute. Okay, there's even a red rock. I mean, it's not red. It's like maroon rock. It's not red. Okay, okay.
There's actually a red rock in here.
Okay, can you show me your? This is a flat because I want something flat on top. I want something flat at the bottom. Okay,
Look
what
at
is
the
it?
rock that I have.
Oh my gosh,
And
it's so
there's more down.
cool. Okay. We can put that if we have fish soon, we can make a fish tank with full of white stones put under the tank
Kasi
so
mami
that it
kang
can make
fish
this tank.
wala din fish na fish na kain natin play nga fish.
That's a very 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 good. Okay. Yes, kita ba ko, ma'am? Okay. So she didn't know that I am using her phone right now. Oh my gosh, what can you say? I'm so sneaky. Sneaky bad boy. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. No, it's not. Do you see this stone? It will ground you for days. Ground you for a lifetime. Okay, okay. So we're trying to find flat. This is a flat, guys. I want them to find Jake and Kira flat top and flat at the bottom, and at the sides it's okay. Just skin us like this. So this is qualified for our criteria, and put this in our plastic bag. That's so simple. And you are trying to reach 10,000 a little thick, fat, unflattened stones, I think. But I mean, there's flat on the top, but on other sides, but it's like bigger on the other portion. It's like unbalanced. I mean, imbalance. Sorry. Okay, it's like, but it's okay. She's a child. Okay, I mean, he's a child. Okay, why are you trying to? You look like Ingrid. No, it's not red. Do you see red? There's no red. Okay.
Look.
Okay, today is 5:33 p.m. and we are.
Oh no, there's no more. There's no more rock.
Oh my gosh. Okay, continue.
Nighttime.
Okay, it's dusk already. Oh, do you see this is like red? What? Oh, it's like a chicken. Look at me. Can you show it on the camera? Oh, you should put it there. Oh my god, that's so genius. Okay, Jakey, Kirsai, we know Kirsai is so genius. Okay, look at that redness. Okay, let's go to it so that we can explore the world. And why is it that there's red? Because it's sunset actually, but it's okay. It's like reflection, but we didn't know why it's reflecting the sun surface. Oh my gosh, I don't know why it's reflecting. It's so red. There's no reason why it's red. Oh, maybe it was. It was. Oh, it was there. You see this, guys? It's like the reflection of the lenticular stars. This is called lenticular stars because it reflection the red sunset, but actually the sunset goes there. Okay, so maybe the reflection of sunset on the beach it goes reflect to the clouds, and the clouds became red, and the red clouds reflect there on the wall. I'm so sorry. Okay, I didn't hurt anyone. Okay. Where? What are you jumping? Oh my gosh! What? What? What is it? It's a moon. Where's the moon? Oh, there's a moon right there. It's like a baby tiny moon. Oh my God, we are live right now where our crescent is like flying on the floating on sky. What? What are you trying to say?
See the picture of tiny baby.
No, we cannot see the tiny baby picture right now. It's
Look.
wait, look. Oh, there's a moon. Yeah, I already see that. Look at the moon. It's so tiny. It's like constellation. It's like constellation of Orion. It's like starting here, starting there, and like connecting here with the. It's like a tiny cloud. That tiny cloud will not go anywhere. It's just stay there. I'm just kidding. Okay, so what's that?
Clouds are very nice.
Yes, that's so bright because the clouds are so.
Blue and white.
Yeah, no, there's red cloud over there. You can't see it. It's like a little purple or something.
Not a red cloud.
Yeah, that's right. Wait, we forgot to go that we are trying to find flat stones and we're not trying to find red clouds or something. Okay, please hold this for Jakey Soy. Okay, please. Because since you are here. Oh, no, no, don't fall. Oh my gosh. Don't fall. Okay, just be careful. No, Jakey Soy, you're joining. No, wait, this is mine. Why are you trying to take mine? Okay. Where?
The shape of shining girl.
Yeah, I already see it. It's like a little bit dangerous, a little bit of Monica in my life, a little Monica by my side. A real. Oh yeah, I mean, it's not like why are you dancing because you're dancing on my song. Okay. What? No! Oh my gosh, you just lose 10,000 gems of diamonds. I mean, of adopt me. Okay. No, it was Jakey's hard work. Why did you accidentally oh my gosh, no, Jakey, Akira. Oh my gosh. No, don't lose anything, okay?
The rocks in this box.
Oh my gosh, no, it's not, Kirasoy. Okay, I think this is not enough, but still, it's already a little bit near midnight. I mean, little bit near night. It's like, because it's when it's become 6 p.m. to us, it's became dark already. Not the others who are still shiny, have a shining sun when it's 7 p.m. It's 7 p.m. It's still shiny. Okay, shiny sun. What?
Yes, sure. I see the moon again.
No, the moon is not going anywhere. Okay, I'm just you. I already why is it 3 times? Okay, what?
Look there.
Yeah, I already see it. With like pointing. Okay, the pointing that is already enough to you. Okay, it's like sufficient. Okay, draw something on the sky. I don't know what to draw. I think you drew like a bird. Oh, you drew and the bird and it's flying towards there. I'm not kidding. Okay, so let's go. It's like already a near dark already. I don't know if we are trying to find the flat rocks right now. Do you see any flat rocks? Okay. It's so dark right now. I don't know if this alive work will still work. Okay, so this is not flat. This is a little bit flat, but it's not. It's like a bit. It's not flat at the bottom. Hey, what are you doing? You're naughty. What? So they're there. So I don't know why are there. Okay. So I think it's just finding a flat box. I don't touch anything that the white plastic there. Okay, it's not. It's mine. Okay. What? No, don't do that too. Do that. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Hey. Why are you guys so naughty? Oh my gosh. No, it's not food. Don't trust her. Don't trust her. Okay. And instead of just clicking some selfie stick here. Okay, we're trying to reach 5,000 friends in Facebook, and I know, I think it's, I mean, yeah, it's possible, but if there's no
Can
true
you turn on
friend
the
then
flash?
when you have
Can you turn on the
5,000 friends.
flash,
What?
please? Can you turn on the flash?
Yes, you're so smart. Why am I not doing this a while ago? Oh my gosh, I'm so naughty. Sure. Okay. Now you're trying to lick 10,000 of times of my butt. So,
Oh no!
right.
Man, can you
Okay, so I think we still do this until midnight, and I don't know if this will work. Okay.
Jackie?
Maybe this is not. No, is this flat rock? No, it's not a flat rock. Okay. Is this? Okay. If you see guys a flat rock, please comment down below. Okay. What?
Just comment, guys, please.
Yes. Yes, that's so hard. Okay, put that in the box. Okay.
Give me.
Okay. So if you see something, we should run. Okay. Because if you see something, it's a
If you
ghost.
see something floating, that means run. You guys comment and run.
And comment run, okay? If you see something out there like a ghost, please comment down below. And if we will read it, your comment, run, we will actually run. Okay, going there. What? Oh my gosh, it's not flat. Why are you doing that? Okay, because here I accidentally spew out all the stones that Jakey Soy collected. It's okay because it was saved all in this live stream. Okay, I'm just kidding. Okay, so this is not flat, you guys. Okay, and this is totally not flat at all. I think because it's not stone. What?
Flatter.
Oh, it's okay. Okay, so we are okay. It's my midterm exam. Why am I still not studying? Oh my gosh, I'm the bad boy.
We're helping you find my rocks. Is that
Yes, that's alright. Thank you so much for trying to find some rocks. It's why are you trying to do that? You okay? Tapos rin. I guess this is flat. This is flat, you guys. Okay. I think that's all for now. Okay, I think tapos rin tama na. Huwag tayo muli. We're going to go home already, Imin. Okay. We're talking in a mother tongue. Okay. Oh, it's okay. Don't worry. We can do that tomorrow. Okay. Gusto mo mas hasta na lang maggabi na lang tapos makita mo ang aswang until the night comes and you see monster around. You will stay here. No, oh my gosh. George, Peppa, see, George is crying. You're not taking care of your little brother, Peppa Pig. I mean, she's not big, but she's beautiful. She's beautiful. No, you're not a pig, okay? I am the pig. Okay, I am the pig because I'm super fat. I thought that there's a flash. Okay. No, don't push me.
Give me flat rock. Hurry up and give me flat rock.
Okay, don't worry. I will give you flat rocks. Hey, you put the stones. Where are the stones of Jakey?
The bunny.
Oh my gosh, you're like showing a poker face. What? Oh, is this a globe? Oh, don't throw it against the camera. Okay. Okay, we're going, now, get the box. Hey, I saw the plastic bag that Kira, oh my gosh, it's already spewed away. Okay, it's not actually, it's already a ripped one, but, you threw all of the stones that Jakey collected. Look, these are all the
There's one right here.
stones.
There's one.
Amo dyan mo stones, Jakey nga nahula ni Kiersoy. That the Kiersoy spewed out all your stones. Okay, sige. No, we're not playing because it's already going midnight. Right now, it's already 5:43 p.m. It's just like a little bit dim. Okay, good. Okay. Oh my gosh, this like a shrilling sound. No, Kiersoy, help him. Don't show something. No, your tantrums. Okay. Hey, Peppa, George here is where's George, Peppa? No. Are you crazy? Okay. Okay, I will just leave you there. Okay, bye-bye. You're hurting us. No, please stand up. Don't do that. Oh my
I
God.
will do a magic.
No, the why you're bringing that giant rock? No, it's not. No, don't do it. Okay. I would tell mommy. No, no. I will going to eat it. You're pretending to cry. You're an actor. I don't know. No. Okay, she's starting to throw stones at me. Okay. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and but I'm really, really sorry, guys, for inconvenience on why. Okay, it's so dark.
Ouchie, ouchie, ouchie.
Okay, let's go already. Jakey, you're so. Okay, goodbye. Okay, goodbye, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
See you guys in the next video.
Yeah, see you in the next video too. No, it's not a way of baba. People will see that that you're lying. You're doing tantrums again. Okay. Goodbye, bye guys. Bye. We are really sorry. You're throwing slippers at me. Bye. It's okay. Don't worry.